Am I the only one who didn't realize muscles have their own tug-of-war going on? I mean, we move every day, but what's really happening under the skin? Let's break it down, science style. Picture your muscle like a high-tech rope ladder, made of tiny repeating units called sarcomeres. Now think of the sarcomere as a stage for two superstar proteins, actin, the thin, flexible rope, and myosin, the thick, strong climber. When your brain says, move, myosin grabs onto actin and literally pulls it closer, kind of like rowers hauling in a rope. This pulling action slides the actin filaments over the myosin, making the whole sarcomere and your muscle shorter and fatter. Multiply that by millions, and boom, you've got a muscle contraction. It's teamwork on a microscopic scale, and it's happening every time you lift, run, or even smile. So next time you flex, remember your muscles are running the coolest science show in town.